Over the past year or so, I've noticed something interesting. Everywhere I look lately, I'm seeing these ads for what they're calling new gel injections for back pain. These ads, they claim that they can fix bulging disc, a herniated disc, or just chronic back pain. Now, on the surface, it sounds exciting, right? New technology, new procedures, new hope for people in pain. But when you really take a closer look, most of these so-called new treatments are still the same basic idea. They're injections. They're chemicals for a mechanical problem. And here's the thing I want people to know in our community. If your treatment plan still revolves around needles going into your spine, you're still dealing with an injection-based approach to pain management, chemicals. For many people, those injections, they're designed to mask the pain, not actually correct the underlying mechanism causing the pain. And over the years, I've seen thousands of patients right here in Nashville who were told injections were their only option or the next step before surgery. Many of them came to see us looking for a different path, non-surgical, drug-free path. At Action Spine and Joint, our philosophy has always been different. For more than 30 years now, we focused on non-invasive therapies that help heal the body naturally without relying on addictive pain medication, injections, and dangerous surgical procedures. We use advanced treatments like spinal decompression therapy, shockwave therapy, and targeted chiropractic care, spinal adjustments, to address the real issue: pressure, damage, and dysfunction to the spine. When we reduce that pressure and restore proper movement, the body often does something remarkable. It starts to heal. And that's really the goal. Not just covering up pain temporarily, but helping people get back to living their normal lives again. Now, every patient is different. Some people, they do require injections or surgery. But what I want people to know is this: those should rarely be the first option. There are often safer, non-invasive approaches that deserve to be explored first. That's why so many families here in Nashville have trusted Action Spine and Joint now for decades. We believe in treating the cause of the problem, not just chasing the symptoms. So if you're dealing with back pain, a bulging disc, or a herniated disc, you owe it to yourself to conceptually understand all of your options before you start down the road of injections and surgery with a host of potential side effects. Call us today at 615-356-4656 or simply click below at actionspineandjoint.com to book your appointment online.